8 weight loss tips from women who have lost 100 pounds. Total weight loss, 124 pounds. 1. Start in your comfort zone. Parisi Rodriguez started her fitness journey by putting one foot in front of the other. When I weighed 252 pounds, the thought of walking into a gym and working out terrified me. So I started walking around my block instead, something I was already comfortable doing. She worked her way up from 30-minute sessions to 2-hour walks, lacing up 5 or 6 times a week. 2. Skip soda. I was addicted to Pepsi and Dr. Pepper for years, says Parisi Rodriguez, who once consumed up to 6 cans a day. Once I realized that soda was nothing but empty calories, I swapped my beverage of choice to water instead. It was super uncomfortable at first, but after 8 years, I can honestly say I no longer crave soda like I used to. 3. Lighten up on carbs, without ditching them. Born into a Sicilian family of chefs, pizza makers, and restaurant owners, carbs had long been a mainstay in Parisi Rodriguez's life. Instead of giving up carbs entirely, as if she reached for low-calorie or low-carb versions of staples like bread and tortillas. 4. Cancel the whole all-or-nothing thing. I used to think that if I ate healthy all day but then slipped up by eating a chocolate cookie, that I ruined everything for that day, Parisi Rodriguez says. Then I'd just start binge eating the crap out of everything. Reframing her mindset helps her carry on without guilt or deprivation. 5. Shout your goal from the rooftops. At the onset of her weight loss journey, Parisi Rodriguez began documenting her progress on Instagram. It helped keep me accountable because I knew others were watching, she says, noting that private people can still follow suit by sharing with just one other person. 6. Pound that water. I carry a 32-ounce water bottle with me at all times, says Whitner, who fills that baby up not once, not twice, but 4 times a day. 7. Score fitness class freebies. As a big fan of ClassPass, Whitner also found that many local studios offer free trials or super discounted rates for newbies. Take advantage of it. The worst thing that can happen is you did not like it and you used up an hour of your day, she says. 8. Do not fear the weight room. Whitner credits WW, formerly Weight Watchers, and weight lifting for her results. Lifting weights helped me tremendously with toning up and losing weight, she says. Although she learned to pump that iron at a local gym, she bows down to YouTube and Insta where there are free tutorials galore.